Hello friends, welcome to our channel. Please subscribe our channel. In this video we're gonna see about the unboxing the Geo Wi-Fi connection. We can see unboxing the Geo. Okay, first we can take this box and we can unbox this one. Inside the box we can see our Geo Wi-Fi. This is our Geo Wi-Fi, and first we can keep this, and next if you see means we can see this body, and this is fully made up of fabric plastics, and next this is unbreakable plastics, and here Geo is written on glass. This is glass. Inside if you see means this also glass, and if you see here means this is on button. You see this is on button, and this is net GPS button. On back side we can see what's having. On back side it have power on off long press and wake up short press, and button you can see, and next GPS for long press, and Geo Wi-Fi, Geo voice download for free. This is designed by India. And next we can see we can remove this cover if you need. And next we can see how to pair this device with any mobile phone. First we can take a mobile phone, and next we can on our Wi-Fi, and in Wi-Fi no device is paired now. No device. Now we can on this device, and in the on button we have to long press. Now I am pressing the red color button. Red color charge button is indicating. Want to wait sometimes. Okay, now the red color charging button is indicating now, if you see, and wait sometimes to refresh. Now this is refreshing. In this cap we can see, oh yes, now one tower symbol is coming like this. It's blinking. Now we can see this. Now it's green. Okay, now it's green. Now we can on our Wi-Fi. Yeah, it's connected. When the charge is full it will be show red color, the tower is full green color, and the Wi-Fi is on this blue color. We can keep this, and we can take a mobile phone, and in that you see Geo Wi-Fi is here. Geo Wi-Fi, we can click that, and it's showing password. Okay, this is Geo Wi-Fi is connected. We can check out the speed of this one. Okay, we can check out the speed, and now our speed is very super. I think yes, this is very super speed. Yeah, it's nice. When I check, this is maximum is per second 4 MB. Okay, we can see how to charge this. For that you need a charger. Now I am taking data cable, and I'm going to connect the back side. The charger port is there. Now I am connecting this charger port, and I am switch wait, and in my charger now I'm connecting. Now I connected to my charger. Now when it's charging, this is blinking. When you see this, see here I connected to my charger. Okay, it's fully green. Yeah, it's nice. Green means it's connected. Okay, thank you for watching our channel. Please subscribe our channel for more information. Thank you.